All right, so we have a 2006 Infinity G35. It's got some engine noise. We're suspecting either timing chain rattle or a rod knock. We're gonna go through a quick diagnosis to see if we can pinpoint what the noise is. And we're gonna kill each cylinder individually to see if the noise changes. What that's gonna indicate is if, let's say we kill cylinder number 6 and the noise goes away, that tells us that there's a high likelihood that the sound is going to be a rod knock. We're going to kill it, and then we're going to see how that affects the sound, if any. So we're going to do cylinder number 1. Okay. So cylinder number 1 is being deactivated right now. And the noise is still there. And the sound is gone. It seems to be pertaining to cylinder number 2. Cylinder number 2 is active again, and the noise is back. So we're into cylinder number 3 now. Cylinder number 3 deactivated. Still knocking. So it seems cylinder number 2 is where the issue is at. When I disable cylinder number 2, the knock goes away. Cylinder number 2 is disabled, the sound just completely goes away. That's a direct indicator that cylinder number 2 is responsible for the sound. So this was going to be a rod knock. For this test, you don't need to have a scanner. You can just, if you want to do it at home without a scanner, you can just unplug coils one by one, and that's manually disabling the cylinder.